One of the big topics we cover this year in Algebra 1B is modeling situations with equations and expressions, as well as inequalities. So for this problem, Alex sells t-shirts. It costs Alex $6.50 to buy one t-shirt. Alex also pays $150 each month to rent the equipment needed to add the print to the t-shirts. Alex then sells the t-shirts for $12. The first part asks us to write an expression that represents the amount Alex pays for t-shirts, and they've already given us a variable for the number of t-shirts, which is t. So since in part A they're looking for how much Alex is paying for these t-shirts, we're going to look for any information about what he's paying. So we can see from above that Alex is paying $6.50 to buy one t-shirt. He's also paying $150 each month for his equipment to add the print to the t-shirts. So using our variable t, as well as the price per t-shirt and the amount he's paying per month, we now can write a variable expression to represent the situation. So if we use the idea that we take the value of an item, so $6, hang on one second, there we go. If we take $6.50 times the number of t-shirts, again the price per item times the number of items, and then simply add on our monthly cost for electric that we're paying just once a month of $150. Going to the second part, we're now looking for the information about where Alex is now selling his t-shirts and how much money he's receiving for selling them. And again, we're looking for an expression, so no equal sign. And again, we're still using t as our variable to represent the number of t-shirts. So looking at the information above, we can see that Alex sells his t-shirts for $12 each. And now we can write a variable expression for that situation. So if we take the value per t-shirt, which is $12, and multiply by our number of t-shirts, t, we now have an expression that represents how much money Alex makes from selling t-shirts. So the next part now asks us to write an inequality that can be used to determine the number of t-shirts Alex must sell each month in order to make a profit. So we're going to now use our two parts from A and B to write this next inequality, and the idea is this. In order to make a profit, the amount that Alex is receiving for selling these t-shirts must be more or greater than the amount that he's paying to create the t-shirts. So our inequality would be 12t, the amount he's making, is greater than, let's get a better greater than symbol than that, the amount he's paying, which is $6.50 per t-shirt, or times t, plus that $150 he's paying for the equipment. Finally, they ask us now what's the minimum number of t-shirts that Alex must sell in order to make a profit. So we're simply going to solve the inequality that we had from part C. And in order to do that, we're first going to have to collect all of our variable terms on one side. So we're first going to subtract that $6.50 t from each side. That will now leave us with 550t is greater than 150. And finally, we're now going to we're going to divide both sides by our 550. And when we do that, we end up getting back that our value of t must be greater than 27.27 repeating. So putting this in practical terms, Alex must sell at least 28 t-shirts to make a profit. And this is an example of what the Keystone tests, as well as a good portion of our course, will be looking for constructed response problems like this.